People are making serious money with AI right now, and most of them didn't have any special tech skills when they started. I'm not talking about selling some course about AI or pumping a crypto token. I'm talking about real, repeatable income streams that are working right now in 2026, because AI has changed what's possible. Some of these require no upfront investment. Some of them can scale to replace a full-time income. And the window to get in early is still open, but it's not going to stay that way. Let me break it down. Here's the context you need to understand before we get into the specific methods. AI has done something unprecedented. It's dramatically lowered the cost and skill barrier to produce high-quality work. Things that used to require expensive specialists, graphic design, copywriting, video production, software development, music, can now be done by one person with a laptop and the right AI tools. What that means is that the gatekeepers are gone. You don't need to be a trained copywriter to write great sales copy anymore. You don't need film school to produce polished video content. You don't need a computer science degree to build a simple app. That opens up real money-making opportunities for regular people who learn how to use these tools strategically. Let's go through the best ones right now. This is one of the most accessible and scalable income streams available right now. A faceless YouTube channel is exactly what it sounds like. You produce YouTube videos without ever appearing on camera. AI handles the script writing, the voiceover, and helps you source or generate visuals. The economics are real. YouTube pays between $2 and $10 per thousand views through AdSense. A channel in a profitable niche, finance, business, AI, health, legal, can earn hundreds to thousands per month once it gets traction, and some channels are pulling in 5 figures monthly. The AI stack for this typically looks like ChatGPT or Claude for scripting, 11 Labs for voiceover, stock footage from Pexels or Storyblocks, and CapCut or InVideo for editing. You can produce a complete 10-minute YouTube video for around $5 to $10 in tool costs. Once you hit monetization, which requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, that investment starts paying back. The key to success here is picking the right niche and being consistent. Finance, AI tools, business, personal development, these niches have high ad rates and huge audiences. Produce 2 to 3 videos per week for 6 months, and you can realistically hit monetization. The freelance market hasn't collapsed because of AI, it's transformed. Clients still need people to manage the output, handle prompting, and deliver polished results. They just need it faster and cheaper than before. That's your opportunity. The services making the most money right now: AI content writing, where you use Claude or ChatGPT to produce blog posts, email sequences, and social media content at scale. AI video production, where you deliver fully edited YouTube or social videos using AI tools. AI image and graphic design, where you generate product images, logos, and marketing assets with Midjourney and DALL-E. On Upwork and Fiverr, AI-assisted services are performing extremely well. A skilled AI content operator can produce 10 blog posts in the time it used to take to write one. If you charge $150 per post and use AI to produce them efficiently, your hourly effective rate becomes very high very fast. The differentiator is quality control. Anyone can prompt an AI. The people charging premium rates are the ones who know how to edit and refine the output, understand the client's voice and brand, and deliver something that doesn't read like it came out of a machine. This one has a steeper learning curve, but the earning potential is significant. Businesses need automation. They want to automate their lead generation, their customer follow-up, their content production, their internal workflows. Most business owners don't know how to build this stuff themselves. Tools like Make, formerly Integromat, Zapier, and N8N let you build powerful automations without knowing how to code. You connect AI tools like ChatGPT to business software like CRMs, email platforms, and databases. You build a workflow once, sell it to a client, and potentially charge monthly for maintenance. A lead generation automation that captures a new contact, researches them with AI, drafts a personalized outreach email, and sends it automatically. That's worth $500 to $2,000 to a small business owner. Build it once in a few hours. There are freelancers charging $3,000 to $5,000 for custom AI automation build-outs for small businesses. You don't need to be a programmer. You need to understand the client's problem, understand the tools, and be able to connect the dots. Start learning on YouTube and with the free tiers of Make and N8N. Digital products require no inventory, no shipping, and no ongoing production cost. AI makes creating them faster and better than ever. Popular AI-generated digital products selling right now. Prompt packs, collections of optimized prompts for specific use cases. Designers, marketers, writers are buying these. AI-generated stock photos and illustrations, ebook templates and PLR content, social media template packs, and Notion dashboards. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market are full of AI-assisted digital products making consistent passive income. A well-positioned pack of 100 professional Midjourney prompts for brand photography sells for $15 to $30 and requires basically no ongoing work once it's listed. The key is niching down. Don't sell AI prompts. Sell 100 Midjourney prompts for real estate photography or Instagram caption templates for fitness coaches. Specific products for specific audiences convert much better. Print on demand lets you sell custom-designed products, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, without holding any inventory. You upload a design, someone buys it, the platform prints and ships it, you collect the margin. AI makes the design part trivial. You generate custom artwork, graphics, and text layouts with Midjourney or DALL-E. You upload them to Printful, Printify, or Redbubble. If someone buys, you make money. If they don't, you've lost nothing. The strategy that works right now is very specific niche targeting. Don't try to compete in general categories. Find specific communities, pet owners of specific breeds, fans of niche hobbies, specific occupations, specific cities, and create designs that speak directly to them. With AI, you can create 50 designs for 50 different niches in an afternoon. Here's one most people overlook. There is enormous demand right now for people who can teach others how to use AI tools. Not at a university level. At a practical, here's how to use this in your job level. Local businesses, professional associations, and individual professionals are willing to pay for AI training. A 2-hour workshop on how to use AI tools for a specific profession. Real estate agents, contractors, attorneys, coaches can run $500 to $2,000 depending on your audience. Online courses are another avenue. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad are full of AI courses making real money. You don't need to be the world's leading AI expert. You just need to know more than your audience and be able to teach it clearly. A well-produced course on how to use AI tools for a specific niche can generate passive income for months or years. Consulting for small businesses, helping them identify where AI can save them time and money, and actually implementing the tools, is also a growing market. Business owners know AI matters. They just don't have time to figure it out themselves. This one is newer, but it's growing fast. Tools like Suno and Udio can generate original, full-length songs in any genre from a text prompt. Udio produces music that is genuinely impressive in quality. Use cases for monetization: selling royalty-free background music to YouTubers and podcasters, licensing tracks for commercial use, producing music for video games and apps, and creating jingles for local businesses. There are marketplaces specifically for AI-generated music, and while the legal landscape is still evolving, the commercial opportunity is real. If you can identify what clients need, specific moods, tempos, genres, you can produce custom tracks faster than any human musician and at a fraction of the cost. Every single one of these methods works because AI reduced the production barrier. But notice, they all still require human judgment. They require you to pick the right niche, understand what customers want, maintain quality, and show up consistently. The people making money with AI are not just pressing a button and cashing checks. They're thinking strategically, they're building systems, and they're genuinely trying to deliver value. AI is the tool. Your strategy and work ethic are still the differentiator. Start with one method. Go deep on it. Don't try to do all 7 at once. Pick the one that fits your skills and interests best. Spend 60 days learning and executing, and see what happens. The AI gold rush is happening right now. It's not hype anymore. It's just people making money with tools that didn't exist a few years ago. And the barrier to entry is still genuinely low compared to where it's going to be in 2 or 3 years. If you want to stay up to date on how AI is creating real income opportunities, subscribe to Node Pulse. I break down the tools, the strategies, and the real-world examples every single week. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.